This VABIO and presentation about syntax project. This one table of content. Theory of syntax, part of speech, and diagram. Theory of syntax. Theory of syntax. Syntax is the study of the principles and process by which sentences are constructed in particular language. It is cited in phonology and melody. Theory of syntax. The organization of a sentence is its syntactic structure. Theory of syntax explains a family of expressions that can substitute for one without loss of grammaticality is called a syntactic category. Art of speech. Theory of art of speech. The syntax category is related with noun, verb, preposition, adjective, and adverb, are also called art of speech. Art of speech. Parts of speech tell us how a word is going to function in the sentence. From learning part of speech, we can better understand how and why we structure words together to form sentences. The categories of part of speech. Part of speech is also known classes. That there are 8 word classes in English words. The shared characteristic of words allow us to organize them into a relatively small number of groups called syntactic categories. 3. There are 2 main categories of part of speech: lexical and non-lexical categories. Lexical categories. Lexical words mean words that have meaning. Consist of 5 categories. Lexical categories. Nouns. Noun refer to person, place, thing, or idea. Example: moisture, policy, policy. Two is verb. Verb, a word that express an action, statement, state, conditions, and activities. The example is smell, remain, and etc. Continue lexical categories. Adjective. Adjective, a word that describes a state. The example: small, good, intelligent, and etc. Um, Powerful prepositions. Prepositions words that the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other word in a sentence. The example is to, near, and etc. And the last one is adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjective, other adverbs. For example, slowly, now, and etc. Non-lexical categories. Non-lexical are words that have a grammatical function. Consist of four categories. Non-lexical category. Determiner. Determiner words that specify or modify nouns. The example, the, this, and etc. To degree or degree word used to indicate the degree or extent to which an adjective or another adverb applies. The example, very, more, and so. Auxiliary. Auxiliary words that help from the tense, mood, or voice of another verb. Example, will, can, and etc. Conjunction. Conjunction words that connect words, verbs, or clauses. The example, and, or, etc. Theory of tree diagram. The syntax is defined as the study of arrangement of words into first, clause, and sentence or syntactical instructions. Theory of tree diagram. The syntax also explains how to the grouping of words relate to its meaning, such as when a sentence or verse is ambiguous. Tree diagram is a form graph used to represent the syntactic structure of a verse or sentence. Verse structure. A verse structure is an expression that contains a single thought. The types of verse. 1. Noun-verse. Noun-verse is a verse that plays the role of a noun. 2. Adjective verse. Adjective verse with an adjective as its head. 3. Adverbial verse. Adverbial verse with an adverb as its head. Verb verse. Verb verse with a verb as its head. 5. Prepositional verse. Prepositional verse with a preposition as its head. How to use tree diagram. 1. Sentence identification. Each sentence consists of two main parts. 2. Use the first structure rules to determine the mental lexicon or represent the predicate verb. 5. Merge the verb clause. 6. Merge the inflectional word. Example 1. Aldi went to the cinema last week. Aldi is noun and when is verb. 2 is preposition. And the is the determiner. Cinema is noun. Last is adverbs. And week is noun. Number 2. The faster runner won a gold medal at the Olympic. First, the is the determiner. Faster is adjective. Runner is noun. And on is a verb. Is determiner. Good noun. Medal is noun. At is preposition. The is the only the is the determiner and Olympic is adjective. The old and big tree swayed in a hurricane. The is determiner, old adjective, and is conjunction. Big is noun. Also, big is adjective. Tree is noun. Sway is verb. In is preposition. The is a determiner. And hurricane is noun. The young sister put the in the purse. The is determiner. Youngest is adjective. Sisters is noun. Wood is verb. The is determiner. This is noun. In is preposition. The is determiner. And purse is noun. The people saw Eliezer with embarrassment. The is determiner. Big is adjective because the is noun. Saw is verb. Eliezer is noun. With is preposition. D is determiner. A is adjective. Verb pandai. And it's noun. Basically adverbs. So, thank you very much.